This video is brought to you by Holiday Inn Express.
Time. Though we have been able to measure its passage for millennia, we have yet to control it. An alarm clock is simple enough. But when you add the complex process of sleep, you have an altogether trickier issue. Join us today as we improve on the alarm clock! We set alarms to help us start our day. But some of us need a little more uplifting way out of bed. Enter the reverse Murphy bed automated waking system. The principle is simple. The alarm triggers a sequence in which you are gradually tilted to a standing position. And for those amongst us who like to wake up with a little jolt, a little optical illusion and adrenaline rush is much more effective than caffeine. That's all for today's invention. Join us next time for the Skeeter Snoozer.